You ever notice how travel influencers love bragging about how cheap they are? Like, oh my gosh, you guys, I found this hack where if you eat only instant ramen and sleep on an airport floor for 3 days, you can see Paris for just $75. Congratulations! You sound less like a world traveler and more like a college freshman on a Red Bull bender. Here's the thing. Cheap is not an aspirational personality trait. Nobody at dinner parties is impressed that you managed to squeeze toothpaste into a contact lens case to avoid checking a bag. That's not chic. That's lowbrow. Like, imagine bragging about how you sneak snacks into the movies by hiding them in your sock. Sure, it's thrifty, but do people admire you for it? Not really. The obsession with hacks is just another way of saying, I treat travel like a scavenger hunt for crumbs. You're not beating the system. You're nickel and diming yourself into a worse experience. Because travel, at its best, is about immersion, culture, and connection, not seeing how many times you can refill your water bottle before security takes it away. Look at me, I'm so smart. I survived Rome on 2 granola bars and a free bathroom sink shower. No, you didn't outwit the airlines. You just made yourself look like the punchline. Here's the truth. Wealthy, experienced travelers don't flex about being cheap. They flex about experiences, the food, the art, the people. Because being cheap isn't glamorous. It isn't even clever. It's just crude. And honestly, most people are laughing at you, not with you.